Hi, hello buddies, welcome back to ZOOBi Talks YouTube channel. Channel இன்னும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் ஐகானையும் பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அப்கமிங் வீடியோஸோட அப்டேட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ்ல வந்துரும். Hi, hello friends, welcome back to ZOOBi Talks YouTube channel. In easy aptitude, what you are going to see today is square root of non-perfect squares. In the previous video, I showed you how to take a square root of a perfect square. That video link I have attached in the card. If you want, you just click it and then go through that video. And taking a square root of a perfect square, that is pretty much easy, right? But taking a square root of a non-perfect square, that is challenging for many people. In all the competitive exam, most of the time we are going to take more time to do this. So today we are going to see one trick which is going to helpful for us to get the square root of non-perfect squares within 5 seconds. Square root of plus or minus y, which is equal to square root of that x plus or minus y divided by 2 times of square root of x. What is this? This looks, too weird, right? Don't worry. Now I'll tell you how this thing going to helpful for us to take the square root of non-perfect squares. Okay. So let's take square root of 9. What is the value of square root of 9? Oh my God. Obviously we know, right? What's that? That is 3. But what is the square root of 8? Okay. Now we are going to struck over here. Now we are going to apply this trick to get answer for this. Let's see if it is square root of 8. What is the value here? 8. Now find out what is the closest perfect square nearest to 8. That is actually 9. So what I am going to do is square root of 9 minus 1, which is equal to square root of 8. Will you accept it? Yes, of course it is right. Now we just compare these two things over here. This is what x and this is what y. Now I am going to replace x and y with 9 and 1 respectively. Then finally it's going to give me the answer. Let's try. Now this is what the x, square root of 9 is square root of 9. Here minus, so I am going to put minus over here. Now y value is 1 divided by 2 times of square root of 9. Just simplify it. That is 3 minus 1 divided by 2 times of 3. That is nothing but 3 minus 1 divided by 6. 3 into 6, 18. 18 minus 1 is 17 divided by 6. Now we just simplified, you will get the answer. Now what is the answer for here? 2. I am getting 83, which is closest to the perfect answer. Actually square root of 8, which is equal to 2.82, but what I am getting over here 2.83. So this is how this trick is going to helpful for us to take a square root of non-perfect squares. Let's apply the same trick for one bigger number. Let's do it now. What is the square root of 30? That apply the trick. Closest, the closest perfect square is 25. So I am going to take 25 plus 5. Now this is x and this is y. Square root of 25, that is equal to 5. Now take the plus. Now what is the y value? That is 5 divided by 2 times of 5. Now what I am going to get? 5 plus 5 divided by 10, which is equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is nothing but 5.5. But actual answer for square root of 30, that is 5.47, which is closest to the answer. This trick going to save our most of the time in the examination. So I am telling you, go with this trick. It will helpful for you to take the square root of the non-perfect square. What do we take? I am going to take what is the square root of 80. Now when I am writing 80, the trick, now you are going to apply it right now. What is the closest perfect square nearest to 80? We all know, we all are familiar, right? 81 minus 1. So x value is 81, y value is 1. Just simply apply the trick. Now square root of 81 is 9. Take the minus, and if it is plus, we have to put a plus over here. Don't forget that. Now y value is 1 divided by 2 times of 9, that is 18. 9 into 18, that is equal to 162 minus 161. So 161 divided by 18. So if you are simplifying it, you will get the answer. Now 161 divided by 18, that is equal to 8.94. Okay, so which is the closest approximation value for 8.94. So this is how this trick will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and please do more practice for this trick. So it will be definitely helpful for you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this ZOOBi Talks YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this ZOOBi Talks.